Walk on the party and shelf it dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. What would you saying? I won't eat twice. I want them seconds, that food that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. Walk on the party and shelf it dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, give me a spoon, grab me a spoon, give me a spoon. What would you saying? I won't eat twice. Yes, I want seconds, the food that nice. Grab me a spoon, go give me a spoon. Grab me a spoon, go give me a spoon.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. I want to thank my good family and friends out there for the support, all the support y'all been giving me, and thank you for playing my video, letting the videos play, and keep them thumbs up coming, because that makes a big difference when it comes to this YouTube, so they can share your boy channel. But this is what we have on the menu. We have on the menu there's some whole lobsters. When I bought them, they was alive, so I don't know if they playing dead on me or if they just passed away since they got to the house, because they know they fit to be cooked good and fit to be ate real good. You hear me? So we got some beef round steak right here, thin slice, bell peppers, little purple onion, red onion, whatever color. It look purple to me, but you know, it say little red onion. Then we have our minced garlic and lemons. So we about to make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. So what I'm gonna do with these lobsters, I'm not gonna cut them open on the camera, because I don't want to show that on the camera on my video. If you want to see some videos like that, I got some back in the days that I have done, but I'm not gonna, you know, because it get real messy and just seeing you, you know, I don't want to show that on this video. But when I do slice it open, you cut them from here, you know what I mean? Straight down the middle, so they don't too much feel any pain. Cut it from here, straight down the middle, and then you work your way from this side, you know what I mean? But you want to start from the front, straight down the middle. So I'm finna go ahead and clean up these lobsters, and then we'll start cooking. Okay, so the lobsters is all cleaned up. We'll go ahead and get to them. But first, we'll go ahead and get this steak nice and done. What I did with my steak, I sliced them in the middle on each side. Just slice them straight down the middle. So we'll go ahead and put some vegetable oil in that pan, and we'll make it happen. Okay. We'll go ahead and put some onions in there. Bell pepper. Alright, so the seasoning we're going to use is this Tony's, no salt. 0 salt. Got roasted garlic, bouillon, some garlic powder. So that's how we're looking like that. Go ahead and put that in, and we're going to season them up. Tablespoon of that roasted garlic bouillon. Tony's, no salt. Tablespoon. Garlic powder. We'll get that tablespoon. Mix it in like so. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it over. I say we'll give it a cool color on the stove and we'll throw it in the oven. Go ahead and put these bad boys over. Like so. Alright, so that's how you looking right there. And another thing I want to say, you know, I want to give a prayer out to Florida, to the families out there that's going through what they're going through right now, with the weather changing up on everybody. I was watching it live last night, because they had it going live last night, and it was sad to see how people lose their homes, their cars, and some people lost some of their families. Okay, so we're going to add some soy sauce. So prayer go out to them people out there, to the family out there. And teriyaki sauce. I watched it for about an hour last night, and it was sad. It's crazy the way the weather changed on us. You know, I'm in California. The only thing we have out here is earthquakes. That's it. And 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. So we just have earthquakes out here. That's it. Alright, so we'll make sure we mix everything in together. Like so. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And it's going in the oven on 400. Okay, so we have a stick of salted butter. And I'm gonna go ahead and place our lobsters in there. We have our claws. I make sure I crack each claw so that flavor and seasoning, everything is getting inside that claw and then a good meat. Okay, now we'll go ahead and give it a nice season. Garlic powder. Got 2.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. Using the same seasoning. Tony's no salt. And that chicken bouillon. Or that roasted garlic bouillon. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. Alright, so we're gonna add our vegetables. Our little baby corn, green beans. You know that Tony, green beans, and baby corn. We're gonna add our lemon. Don't worry about the seeds. You know, when you make your plate, just take the seeds out. Take the seeds out. So this is one whole lemon. And go ahead and put the top on there. Let everything come together like it's supposed to. Okay, so now we're gonna add our garlic, our minced garlic. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 more tablespoon of garlic. We're gonna put the top back on there. Let it do its thing. Okay, so we had our steak meat ready to get on the plate. It's looking good. And it's extra tender. Full of flavor. Okay, so here we go right here. Lobster. Looking good. Flavor. Just right. Look at that steak. Nice and tender. Have our vegetables on hit. And it made it happen right here in this good kitchen again. Yup. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit that like button for your boy. Let's get this channel out there. Let's at least get your boy to 7K. I've been on 3K for a very long time. With my good family and friends out there, can help your boy to get to 7K. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.